Hey guys, it's your girl Kinkycurlyrae here and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome as well and don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video I will show you how you can easily make a crochet afro wig. So you only need a soft and silky Marley hair, a wig cap of course. I use the wig cap with 3 combs to attach to my head, and you will also need a crochet latch hook. So I'll first start to cut the hair because this hair is 42 inches long, and since I'm a short person this will not look cute, but if you want to have a long afro, that's up to you, but I prefer like a short afro onto my shoulders. So you will need to first cut it in half like I'm doing right here. So, an important side note, while cutting the hair, don't cut the hair immediately with your scissors, but rather use moving motion to create an uneven part. So as you can see here, I'm separating the hair strands to make them look more like real natural hair. So making a crochet wig or using a crochet latch hook is very simple and easy. You just need to put the latch hook through the wig cap, attach the hair to it, close the latch hook and pull the hair through the wig cap and make a knot. It's really simple. So the only thing that you really need to know is that you can't put the crochet latch hook through the elastic band of the wig cap, because this will destroy the elastic band and it will make the wig cap loose. So please be careful. Just put the latch hook through the first layer on the part of the elastic band. So since I'm not making a U-part wig, I'm covering the front of my wig cap with a lot of Marley hair to cover the wig cap so that people won't see that it's not my real hair. Okay guys, these are the final results. Thank you all for watching and don't forget to like, to comment, to share and to subscribe. Be blessed.